Welcome back to Money Smart Basics. You need to hear this if you're a real estate investor. Tax lien secrets await. These little-known tax lien secrets could save you thousands. Real estate investors are terrified of missing out. Don't be left in the dark. Learn the secrets now. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment for more Money Smart Basics videos. Stay until the end to receive a bonus tip. Hey everyone, it's Alfonso with Money Smart Basics. Today we're diving into tax lien certificates, a game changer in real estate investing. We're talking about acquiring properties for pennies on the dollar. Sounds too good to be true? Stick around. We'll uncover the truth, the risks, and how you can use this strategy to your advantage. So if you're ready to unlock new investment opportunities, buckle up and keep watching. Now let's get started. Before diving into tax lien certificates, let's understand unpaid property taxes. When property owners fail to pay taxes, local governments place a lien against the property. Instead of waiting for payment, governments sell these liens to investors through public auctions. By purchasing a tax lien certificate, you become the lender, collecting unpaid taxes plus interest. This can offer significantly higher returns than traditional investments. Think of a tax lien certificate as an IOU from the local government. It proves you've purchased the right to collect unpaid property taxes. Interest rates can range from 8 to 36% or more per year. If the property owner doesn't pay within a specified period, you might initiate foreclosure. This means you could become the legal owner of the property for a fraction of its market value. But remember, tax lien certificates come with risks, including the possibility of complex foreclosure proceedings. How do you get these lucrative tax lien certificates? Through tax lien auctions. These auctions offer a competitive marketplace for investors to bid on properties with delinquent taxes. Properties range from single-family homes to commercial buildings and vacant land. The investor who bids the lowest interest rate typically wins the certificate. We'll delve deeper into bidding strategies later, so stay tuned. You've snagged a tax lien certificate, congrats! Now the waiting game begins. The redemption period, usually 6 months to 3 years, allows the property owner to reclaim their property. During this time, they can pay off their delinquent taxes plus interest directly to you. This interest is pure profit in your pocket. A shorter redemption period might be preferable for high interest payments. A longer period could work in your favor if you aim to acquire the property, but you won't know the owner's intentions right away, so stay informed. Imagine receiving a notice that a tax lien has been placed on your property. It can be a stressful situation for the property owner. They might be motivated to redeem the lien, especially if the property holds sentimental value. However, financial hardship or lack of awareness might hinder their ability to redeem. As an investor, consider these factors when evaluating a tax lien certificate. Conduct thorough due diligence on the property and the owner's circumstances. If the redemption period passes without payment, you can initiate foreclosure. Foreclosure can be complex and expensive, but often simpler for tax lien certificates. You're considered a priority lien holder, giving you a higher claim to the property. Approach foreclosure with caution, as it's not a guaranteed path to riches. Careful planning and legal expertise are essential. Foreclosure isn't your only option. Explore alternative exit strategies. One strategy is reselling the certificate on the secondary market. Another option is negotiating directly with the property owner. Offer a payment plan or a reduction in interest owed. Tax lien certificates offer multiple exit strategies, giving you flexibility and control. Let's address the myths surrounding tax lien certificates. One misconception is that they're only for seasoned investors with deep pockets. These auctions are open to everyone, including individual investors. Another myth is that all tax lien properties are undesirable. Many properties are perfectly livable or require only minor renovations. Tax lien investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Success requires patience, research, and understanding the risks. Treat tax lien certificates as a long-term investment strategy. Tax lien certificates offer potential for high returns, but manage your expectations. It's not a guaranteed path to overnight riches. Property owners can still redeem the lien during the redemption period. Redemption rates vary based on market conditions and other factors. Flipping properties for profit isn't always guaranteed. Consider hidden costs like property inspections, legal fees, and back taxes. Accurate profitability calculations are essential. Due diligence is non-negotiable in tax lien investing. Thorough research is the foundation of success. Understand the property's location, condition, and market value. Research the property owner's history and financial situation. Familiarize yourself with state-specific tax lien laws. This includes redemption periods, foreclosure procedures, and interest rates. The allure of high returns is why tax lien certificates attract investors. We're talking about potentially double-digit returns. Tax lien certificates allow you to become the lender and reap the rewards. Interest rates can range from 8 to 36% or more per year. Even if the property owner redeems the lien, you still profit from the accrued interest. Section 2. A world of opportunities. Diversifying your portfolio with tax liens. Beyond the allure of high returns, tax lien certificates offer a unique opportunity to diversify your investment portfolio. If you're tired of the volatility of the stock market or the low yields of traditional savings options, tax liens provide an alternative asset class that can add stability and potentially significant growth to your holdings. Real estate, as an asset class, has long been favored by investors for its potential for appreciation and its tangible nature. With tax lien certificates, you're essentially investing in real estate without the hassle of being a landlord, dealing with tenants, or managing renovations. Moreover, tax lien investing can be a relatively passive income stream. Once you've purchased a certificate, there's minimal ongoing effort required on your part. You're essentially letting the clock work its magic as interest accrues on your investment. This passive income potential can be particularly appealing for investors seeking to supplement their primary income or build wealth gradually over time. Section 3. Tread carefully. Navigating the potential pitfalls of tax lien investing. Now, before you rush out and pour all your savings into tax lien certificates, it's crucial to acknowledge that, like any investment, there are inherent risks involved. Understanding these potential pitfalls is essential for making informed decisions and mitigating potential losses. One of the biggest risks is the uncertainty surrounding redemption. While the high interest rates are enticing, remember that your profit hinges on the property owner's inability or unwillingness to redeem the lien. If they do redeem, you'll receive your principal back along with the accrued interest, but you won't realize the full potential profit from acquiring the property. Another risk to consider is the potential for hidden costs. Beyond the initial investment in the certificate, you might encounter unexpected expenses related to property inspections, legal fees, back taxes, HOA dues, and potential eviction costs. These costs can eat into your profits if you're not careful. Moreover, the foreclosure process, while potentially lucrative, can be complex, time-consuming, and expensive. Navigating legal procedures, dealing with court filings, and potentially even facing competing claims from other lien holders can be daunting, especially for novice investors. Section 4. Minimizing risk, maximizing returns. Strategies for success in tax lien investing. While tax lien certificates come with inherent risks, the good news is that many of these risks can be mitigated through careful planning, thorough research, and a strategic approach. One of the most effective risk mitigation strategies is conducting thorough due diligence on both the property and the property owner. Never invest in a tax lien certificate based solely on the advertised interest rate or the perceived value of the property. Take the time to research the property's location, condition, market value, and any outstanding liens or encumbrances. Equally important is researching the property owner's history. Have they had a history of tax delinquency? Are there other liens on the property? Understanding the owner's financial situation can provide valuable insights into their likelihood of redeeming the lien. Another crucial strategy is diversifying your tax lien portfolio. Just like you wouldn't put all your eggs in one basket in the stock market, it's wise to spread your risk by investing in tax lien certificates across different geographic locations, property types, and even redemption periods. Section 1. From Skeptic to Believer, How One Investor Turned $5,000 into a Real Estate Portfolio. Meet Sarah, a young professional who stumbled upon the world of tax lien certificates while searching for alternative investment options. She was eager to find a way to grow her savings. Initially skeptical, Sarah decided to dip her toes into the water with a modest $5,000 investment in a tax lien certificate for a small condo in a nearby town. She was cautious, but hopeful. She did her due diligence, researching the property's value, the local real estate market, and the potential for future growth in the area, and the owner's history of tax delinquency. She left no stone unturned. Armed with this knowledge, she confidently placed her bid at the auction and won the certificate. It was a thrilling moment for her. To her surprise, the property owner redeemed the lien within a matter of months, netting Sarah a tidy profit of $1,200 in interest, a 24% return on her initial investment in just a few short months. This was beyond her expectations. This initial success ignited a fire in Sarah, and she was determined to learn more. She immersed herself in the world of real estate investing.
I reinvested my profits into additional tax lien certificates, carefully selecting properties based on my research and risk tolerance. Each decision was made with precision and care. Over the next few years, I amassed a portfolio of rental properties, all acquired through strategic tax lien investing. It was a methodical and rewarding journey. What started as a $5,000 experiment blossomed into a lucrative real estate portfolio, proving that with careful planning and a bit of courage and a willingness to learn, anyone can achieve financial success through tax lien certificates. Sarah's story is a testament to the power of informed investing.
Section 2. The Power of Patience, a long-term approach to tax lien profits. John, a seasoned real estate investor, approached tax lien certificates with a long-term perspective, understanding the importance of patience in this field. Instead of chasing quick flips or focusing solely on high interest rates, he viewed tax lien investing as a way to acquire undervalued properties patiently, waiting for the right moment. John's strategy involved identifying properties in up-and-coming neighborhoods, areas that showed promise for future growth and development. He focused on properties with the potential for appreciation over time, ensuring a profitable investment in the long run. He meticulously researched each property's condition, market value, and the owner's circumstances, leaving no stone unturned in his quest for valuable investments. John was particularly interested in properties showing signs of neglect or financial distress, as these often presented the best opportunities. He understood that not every tax lien certificate would lead to property ownership, but he was prepared for that. He was content with earning consistent interest income while waiting for the right opportunities to arise, knowing that patience would pay off.
In one instance, I purchased a tax lien certificate for a single-family home in a rapidly gentrifying neighborhood, seeing its potential. The property owner, facing mounting financial difficulties, was unable to redeem the lien, leading to an opportunity for me. I patiently navigated the foreclosure process, eventually acquiring the property for a fraction of its market value, a significant win. I invested in renovations, transforming the once neglected house into a desirable rental property, increasing its value significantly. The rental income generated from this property, coupled with its significant appreciation in value, solidified my belief in the power of a patient and strategic approach to tax lien investing, proving that patience truly pays off.
So there you have it, the hidden secrets of tax lien certificates revealed. These often overlooked investment opportunities can be a game changer for savvy investors. As we've explored, these powerful financial instruments offer a unique pathway to potentially lucrative returns and the possibility of acquiring properties at a fraction of their market value. This can be especially appealing in today's competitive real estate market. Remember, knowledge is power, and by understanding the ins and outs of tax lien certificates, you're empowering yourself to make informed investment decisions. This knowledge can set you apart from other investors. Now, it's important to remember that tax lien investing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires patience and a strategic approach. It requires careful planning, thorough research, and a realistic assessment of the risks involved. Diligence and persistence are key. But with the right approach, tax lien certificates can be a valuable addition to your investment portfolio, potentially unlocking a world of opportunities for passive income and long-term wealth creation. The rewards can be substantial. If you're ready to dive deeper into the world of tax lien certificates, I encourage you to continue your research, explore the resources available to investors, and consider seeking guidance from experienced professionals. Their insights can be invaluable. The journey to financial freedom starts with a single step, and understanding tax lien certificates could be the key to unlocking your investment potential. Take that step today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more valuable insights, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Your support helps us bring you more content. Until next time, happy investing. May your ventures be successful and your returns plentiful. Congratulations, you made it to the end of the video. With that, you are ahead of 90% of most people in America. Here is the bonus tip that we promise. Are you curious about making your money work harder? Let's dive in. When buying tax certificates, always research the property first. It ensures you're not investing in a dud. Happy investing! The information in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only, and is not intended as financial advice. We are not financial advisors, and the content should not be construed as professional financial advice. Always seek the advice of a qualified financial advisor or other professional regarding your specific financial situation. The use of any information provided in this video is solely at your own risk. Please remember to like and subscribe for more Money Smart Basics videos.